An eclipse is a dazzling spectacle of nature. There are lunar eclipses, which is the Earth's shadow obscuring the moon, and there are solar eclipses where the moon obscures the sun. And the rarest of the rare is a total solar eclipse. Many people have seen a partial eclipse, but it's just not the same as a total solar eclipse. If you are witnessing a total solar eclipse, you are in the shadow of the moon. Very few people have been in the shadow of the moon because these eclipses are so rare. Because the Earth is made mostly of water, most of the eclipses occur over the ocean. Rarely do they occur over land masses in populated areas. In 1991, a total solar eclipse occurred in Mexico. My friend Henry Iglesias and I traveled into Mexico to try to find the point of maximum totality, the longest point inside the shadow of the moon. Few people have been in the shadow of the moon. Those lucky enough on Earth to have experienced a total solar eclipse, and Apollo astronauts who have flown on the dark side of the moon have been in the shadow of the moon. It was one of the big peak experiences of my life. It changed me forever. I wrote a poem about it. It's called With Henry in the Shadow of the Moon. With Henry in the shadow of the moon. Another time, another century, another life. But the time and the century and the life were mine and his. Planets were aligning, celestial spheres inexorably drawn. 11th of July, 1991. When the heavens offer a gift, you must be present to receive. He led me into Mexico, the land of his birth. The land would birth me to transcendence, to bliss, to awe. I knew he was my friend. I know he was my shaman, guiding me to the light and the shadow, where few have truly been, astronauts orbiting the lunar dark side, and fortunate few on the planet, or dreamers like us who seek the shadow. We arrived on hallowed ground, on ancient Aztec soil, eyes cast skyward, the shadow rushing toward us. We felt it coming. The animals, birds, insects, trees felt it coming. All became still. Temperature dropped. Time fell away. And then, oh so suddenly, it all merged. Sun, moon, shadow, earth. Moon, earth, shadow, sun. Earth, sun, shadow, moon. Sun, moon, shadow, moon, shadow, 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 shadow. Here, now, day turned to night. I see stars. I see stars at noon. Henry, look at the stars and the sun eclipsed by the moon. Oh my God, wrapped, bathed in splendor of the cosmic dance of spheres in holy, holy, holy communion. Eternal, eternal. My friend, my shaman, thank you for guiding me there. Years fly by. You find true love. You write and sing about the smile of God and brothers of the sky. And then, oh, so suddenly, your body eclipsed by a brain tumor. Henry, look at the stars. They shine with you among them. The shadow lingers. Your spirit lives. Another time, another century, another life. If I go back to seek the shadow, will you meet me there?